Hey there, this is Sumit. So welcome to another tutorial on React. In this video, we'll be hosting our React website built on top of Vite to Vercel. Then obviously we'll connect a custom domain to this website. And one more thing I will be discussing in this video is how you can create a subdomain. For example, you have purchased this example.com and you have built another page for your blog. So you can create something like blog.example.com. Okay, let's move to the first step. I have created my React portfolio and it is running on my local machine. You can see it localhost 5173. I'm also using routing in my portfolio. The thing with routing is that if you are using React router, you must include Vercel.json file. This file tells Vercel, how the server should be handling different paths and redirect requests. Okay. Before hosting this project on Vercel, we first need to create a repository. So, Vercel can access our project. Okay. You can name it anything. Blog, website. Okay, once everything is fine, click on create repository button. Okay, now let's paste all these git commands to our project directory. Okay, first let's check the status of our project. As you can see, we need to add all these files before committing to main branch. Okay, add all these files. Let's check the status again. Okay, first commit, and the final step is to obviously push the changes to GitHub. Alright, there you go. Everything is done. Now the next step is to host this repository on Vercel. If your GitHub is connected to Vercel, you can access all the Git repositories. Just click on add new in drop down, select project, and you will see all the Git repositories. Now we can import source code for our portfolio website. Also, Vercel can recognize that this project is using Vite with the React plugin. Additionally, if you are using environment variables, you can add all of your secret keys. For example, I'm using a secret key. I simply copy and paste this key along with its value. Alright, now all you need to do is click on this deploy button. It will take a couple of seconds. Okay, now you can see my website is live on internet. It is using a Vercel subdomain, but we'll connect a custom domain to this website. Also, if you navigate to another page, it will work perfectly. Okay, now let's move to the last part where we'll connect a custom domain to this website. I have successfully hosted my Git repo on Vercel and it is using a Vercel subdomain. Now to add a custom domain, simply click on domains where you can easily add your custom domain. Okay, I have purchased a domain from name.com, websumo.live. We'll assign this domain to our project. Here I need to set up an A record. Now what this A record going to do is, it will point my domain name to the host. Here host is Vercel. Okay, go to manage domain. Okay, first let's try adding this domain to Vercel without setting up any configuration. Click on add. Now you will see I need to add this configuration to my domain provider. Just copy the IP address. Click on add record. Now if you go to your host, you'll see it is successfully connected. Okay, we also need to add a record for www, because people might search your website, www.example.com. Alright, just give it a few minutes. Now as you can see, my domain name is successfully connected and anyone can access my website on internet. Also my router is working perfectly fine. Okay, great. Now let's see how we can add subdomain. I have already hosted another web page on Vercel and I will connect a subdomain to this web page. Okay, let's follow the similar steps. Click on domains, use blog as prefix. As you can see, Vercel is looking for a CNAME record. Alright, let's add this record. Okay, I have successfully connected my subdomain. Now we can search for the blog page connected to this subdomain.